Finding Finn. Let's go in the pool. In our suits? Yeah, sure, let's jump in. Okay, let's go in, Oren. Fun. Oh, there's Finn. Hey, Finn, we're just going a few laps up and down the pool. Let's go down. I'm gonna beat you. Wait, where did Finn go? Come on, we need to get out. Let's run. Get out before Finn. Where's Finn? Where's Finn? Where's Finn? Orla, it's bad news. Finn is lost. What? I need to call Aaron. I'll call Aaron now. Aaron, it's bad news. Finn's lost. Oh my gosh. To be continued. The end. That was my first episode in Finding Finn. After Finding Finn, I'm going to be doing like some things to do with Cahir, the evil mastermind Cahir, his morning routine, his night routine, and his wedding. But there's a little surprise at the end of his wedding, so you have to wait for that. Bye.